Hi there, folks. I'm meteorologist Darby Bybee with your 4029TV.com forecast. This is for our Sunday into Sunday night, into Monday morning, and we could actually see additional rain going into Monday night. Let's take a look at the tornado watch, though, that we do have posted for most of the state of Arkansas, not including Benton, Washington, Crawford County. But the flash flooding concern and maybe an isolated strong to severe storm still a concern in these areas. The main tornado threat would be just to the east of these counties into Carroll, Madison, Newton, Johnson, Franklin, Logan, Sebastian, Scott, and Polk. So those are the areas that are in the tornado watch until 7 this evening. Basically, the situation we have here is we've got very strong low-level winds. So the low-level shear very strong out of the south. We're getting some change in wind direction with height. That in combination really would pose a significant tornado threat on most days. But because we've had all this cloud cover and all this rain already, the instability isn't really all that high. And so that does diminish the tornado threat just a little bit. Nonetheless, we're still going to have that tornado threat, again, mainly across our eastern counties into our southern counties throughout our Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening. You can see on our radar that rain just spilling into northwest Arkansas. Storm after storm, shower after shower, moving into Benton County and Washington County, as well as Crawford and Sebastian. I've heard it referred to as monsoon-like rains. This is so much moisture with this system as it moves to the north. Now, we do have some stronger storms we'll be watching this afternoon, this evening, especially across, again, Polk County, Scott County, these areas. We're watching these storms as they move off to the north. These ones right here, as they get into Polk and Scott later on this afternoon, could begin to spin up, and then an isolated tornado threat again. The concern in those areas. And the flash flooding, of course, a concern everywhere through our Monday morning. With all this rain coming in, we've got flash flood warnings already in place for most of northwest Arkansas, the River Valley, and eastern Oklahoma. So we'll have to continue to watch the situation as it develops. Now, take a look at our in-house model. This is our high-resolution model. The heavy rain just spilling north, and of course those strong to severe storms possible across Polk, Scott, Logan, perhaps Sebastian and Franklin, Johnson counties through 6 p.m. Some strong to severe storms. One of these could spin up a tornado later on this afternoon, this evening. You can see that heavy rain still falling in northwest Arkansas at 6, 7 p.m. and probably beginning to get out of here by about 9 or 10. Nonetheless, a few isolated showers and thunder showers still possible up through about midnight before the whole system clears out off to the north and east. And again, keep in mind, more rain is in the forecast Monday afternoon, Monday night. Could even be a few strong to severe storms late in the day on Monday too. So this is not a situation that's necessarily going to end Monday morning, but at least the immediate flash flood threat will end Monday morning. In the meantime, we need to stay away from that high water and keep it tuned to 4029. We will keep you updated throughout the day.